Yeah, Zoe, how many red tiles can we see here? Red tiles.
Red.
How many red tiles?
One. Teacher
One.
Kalai.
Yeah.
Mouse.
Oh, sige daw. You're
Blue.
right. You're right. You're right. You write one red tile here. Just write number 1. Marunong na mag-write?
One lang yung gusto ko.
Oo, you can write one
Here.
there.
This one.
Yeah, you
Yes.
can write one there. Sige daw. Alright. Oops.
Where's my pen? Where's my pen? Where's my pen, Teacher Kalai?
Nandyan, I can see your pen, pero malayo.
Sa'yo man yan, Kuro.
Sa'yo man yan, I'm not holding the pen. I'm not holding the pen. Oh, ano nang nangyari dyan sa pen mo? Oh, stop it, stop it.
I'm not doing it.
Okay, so let the teacher do it, okay? Let teacher do it now, okay? All right. So so we are going to put some 2 parts here. That means there are 2 parts for the 4 tiles here. For the one part, it's the red tiles and the other part is the white tiles or are the white tiles. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, how many red tiles do we have here?
One, I said.
1, I said. How many white tiles?
3.
Okay,
Just
very
like
good.
that.
Yes, 1, 2, 3. But it's not 3, Zoe. It's 3. And voice TH. 3, 3, 3, 3. Very good. Hindi 3, ha? Hindi 3. Okay. Now, can you tell me, Zoe, 1 plus 3 is equals to what? 1 plus 3. 4. Very good. Count mo nga sa fingers mo. 1 plus 3. May I see you counting your finger? 1 plus 3. Okay, can you count them all?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Okay. Now, all right. Sige, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. But I can still hear you saying 3, huh? Bantay lang dyan ng 3. 3.
3.
All right. Now, before we come up with this whole part, let us first look onto the whole. Let's first look onto these 2 parts before we arrive in the whole. Okay? Kasi diba, this one is whole or whole, and then this one or these 2 circles are parts. Tama?
Yes.
So, there are 2 parts in the tiles here. One part are the red tiles and the other part is or are the white tiles. Tama? Zoe, can you help count, teacher, how many red tiles and how many white tiles are there?
3.
There are?
3.
Say, there are?
There are 3.
3, or what? Red tiles or white tiles?
Red and white.
There are 3 red tiles. There are 3
Red and white.
white tiles. Very good. Now, can you add 3 part and the other 3 part? Can you add them together?
6.
Very good. Wow. You are awesome, Zoe. Can you give teacher high five? Very good. Is that your age? 6? Or you're still 5?
I'm still 5.
You're turning 6 on November, right? November ba yon?
What?
Your birthday?
Remember 30.
November 30. So you will be turning 6 on November 30, right?
Yes, madugay pa yung birthday ko.
Oh, mauna pa yung birthday ko kasi my birthday is on November 2. All
Kay
right.
everyone, kay dali akin kay kamay. Ay, malayo pa akin.
Sige, this time let's learn some number bonds using pictures like turtles. All right, let's write a number bond for it. Now look at this picture, Zoe. There are two parts
Why
of
this turtle of one is shell is gray?
Yeah. Now
Why is
let's make number bonds for these turtles here. Now we can see here two parts of the turtles. The one part is the turtles or are the turtles in the water. And the other part of the turtle are the turtles on top of the log. Tama?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Now can you count, Zoe, how many turtles are there in the water and turtles
1,
on top of the log?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ah, six turtles are in the water. Can you look closely to the, can you look closely in this picture?
Yes. There's a gray one.
Yeah. Can you tell teacher how many turtles are there in the water?
1, 2, 3, 4. I-count ko lang yung na-circle.
Not necessarily, but you just have to tell me how many turtles are there in the water.
Okay.
Sige, sabihin mo lang kay teacher, how many turtles are there in the water?
4.
Kasi, 4. Very good. So, gaya na sinabi ko kanina, Zoe, the other part are the turtles in the water and there are 4 of them. Tama?
Yes.
And how about the other 2 turtles? Where are they?
They're in the log.
Very good.
Yes. Standing and then.
All right, so where shall teacher put, hey, Zoe, listen first. Where should teacher put 2? Here or here? Sa taas or sa baba?
Baba.
Baba, very good. So what are we going to do now? What are we going to put here?
I'm gonna get first. 6.
6, very good. That is awesome. Oh, galing, Zoe. Can you give teacher a high five? Come on. Woo! Yeah. Woo! All right. And also, Zoe, you can see here there are 6 turtles all in all, right? You can even count them here, right? 4
Yes,
turtles in the water, 2 turtles on top of the log. So there are 6 turtles all in all. Very good. Yay! How about this one, Zoe? How about this? What can you see in the picture?
What are those?
Oh, you don't know them? Haven't you seen Snow White and the 7 dwarfs?
I already seen it in the story, but now I can't see it.
All right.
Memories ko pa yan, pero nawala. Yung memories ko lang kay YouTube. Sabi ko tingin yung Snow White.
Ay, hindi ko pala tingin ng Snow White. Na-memorize mo sa YouTube.
Yes.
Okay.
Yan lang yung
Sabi nila
memories
Zoe,
ko.
yeah, sabi nila Zoe, it's not YouTube, it's YouTube.
YouTube. YouTube.
Alright. Sige, ano nangyari dyan? Sana yung clip mo? Sana ang clip mo? Itanggal ni Papa.
Dito.
Clip mo dito ba? Di ba gilagyan mo yun ng clip dito para hindi matagak yung ano mo?
Nandito.
O parang matagak man. O sige, continue tayo ha. Now, look at these dwarves here. There are 2 rows of dwarves. The first row and the second row. Now, can you tell me, Zoe, there are 2 parts of this and tell me how many, what number can we put in the first part and what number can we put in the second part?
Mag-start muna ako sa up.
Opo.
Sa left or right should I start?
Ay, you just count anywhere. Basta sa isang column. Sa isang row po.
Um, dito lang gusto ko.
Sige. Basta sabihin mo lang
One,
kay teacher, ilan yung ilalagay ko sa isang circle, ilan ang ilalagay ko sa the other circle. Sige daw.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4
Okay.
again.
4 again. Okay, what about the other circle, Zoe?
3. 3.
3? Yung puno ng kahoy? 3? Di ba nag-teach na si teacher sa'yo ng digraph last package? Di ba I taught you already how to say the TH and voice TH. It's okay. 3. 3.
3.
Very good. Sana lagay ni teacher dito sa hole.
I-count ko na sila sa taas and
Oh, sure. Very good. Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Oh my, mama. Bakit 6 lang ang count mo? Are you really counting? Again. Try again, Zoe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. How many dwarves are there all in all?
7.
7 dwarves. Very good. Awesome. Great job, Zoe. Very good. Give teacher a high five. Come on. Yeah. Woo. Very good. Wow. How about this one? All right. This one and the other one. There's 2 pages remaining. This is going to be your homework. They will be your homework. Okay? I will send it to your papa. And you are going to answer this one with apples on the tree, and this one balloons. Boy holding the balloons. Okay?
Okay, Ian. Send mo yung ano para hindi para alam
Kalimutan.
niya yung study ko.
Oh, hindi lang study ha. You have to answer them. All right?
Yes.
All right. So that would be the end of our lesson, Zoe. Thank you so much for participating well in